Have you ever wondered, can you really melt stubborn belly fat with just 10 moves? Today we're diving into the truth behind it, and spoiler alert, these 10 exercises might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. If you're tired of endless crunches and feeling stuck, don't worry, you're about to discover a smarter, faster, and way more exciting approach to torch that belly fat. Welcome to today's session where we're unlocking the power of movement and intensity. Burning fat isn't just about doing more, it's about doing the right things the right way. The 10 moves I'm about to show you are not only designed to fire up your core but also ignite your entire metabolism. We'll be combining strength cardio bursts and dynamic core work to maximize every second you put in. You don't need fancy gym equipment, and you definitely don't need hours a day. You just need consistency, energy, and the willingness to give it your all for the next few minutes. So grab some water, clear your space, and get ready, because by the end of this workout you'll feel stronger, more powerful, and one step closer to that shredded, confident version of yourself, ready to find out what your body is truly capable of. Let's crush it together, starting right now. Exercise 1. High knees. Let's kick things off strong with high knees, a fat-burning, core-sculpting powerhouse. Stand tall, chest proud, and start driving your knees up toward your chest as fast as you can. Imagine trying to sprint in place, but every knee lift counts. Keep your arms pumping to add intensity and stay light on your feet. The goal? Explosive speed and tight form. This isn't just cardio, this is serious core work. Every time your knee lifts high, your lower abs fire up. Plus, with your heart rate skyrocketing, you'll be torching fat from the moment you start. Stay focused, land softly, breathe rhythmically, and keep pushing even when it burns. Aim for 30 to 45 seconds, and if you're feeling spicy, go for a full minute. Remember, the faster you move, the more fat you melt. Ready? Let's pick up those knees and light it up. Exercise 2. Mountain climbers. Get down into a strong plank position, wrists under shoulders, back flat, core locked and tight. Now drive one knee toward your chest, then the other like you're sprinting horizontally. Move fast but controlled, keep that back from sagging. Mountain climbers are a total body move that hits your abs, arms, shoulders, and gets your heart pounding. This move is amazing because it combines strength and cardio, burning tons of calories while firing up those deep core muscles. Focus on tight, powerful drives. Don't just flap your legs around. Stay steady, keep breathing, and picture those lower abs getting tighter with every rep. Work for 30 to 45 seconds. Stay low, stay strong, and keep climbing like you're racing up that mountain to your goals. Exercise 3. Russian twists. Alright, time to hammer those obliques with Russian twists. Sit on the ground, lean back slightly to engage your core, and lift your feet off the floor if you can. Hold your hands together or grab a small weight and start twisting side to side, touching the ground next to your hips. Each twist engages your side abs while strengthening your deep core. The key here? Control. Don't just flop your arms, twist with your whole torso, squeezing your abs every time you rotate. Go slow and steady at first to master the form, then speed it up for a real challenge. Russian twists not only help tighten your waistline but also improve balance and stability. Shoot for 20 or 30 twists. Feel that burn? That's your midsection getting carved out. Stay strong. Exercise 4. Burpees. Love them or hate them, burpees are belly fat's worst enemy. Start standing tall, then squat down, plant your hands, jump your feet back into a plank, lower into a push-up if you can, then spring back up and jump high. Burpees are a full-body blast that sends your metabolism through the roof. They combine strength, cardio, and explosiveness all in one brutal but beautiful move. Stay smooth and rhythmic. Breathe out when you jump up and reset fast. Every rep torches calories and demands core stability to keep you from collapsing during the plank and jump. You don't have to go super fast, focus on quality reps first. Aim for 8 to 12 burpees per set. Push hard, you're not just working out, you're leveling up your entire body. Exercise 5. Bicycle crunches. It's time to sculpt with bicycle crunches. Lie flat on your back, hands behind your head, elbows wide. Bring your knees up to tabletop position. Now extend one leg out straight while twisting your upper body to bring the opposite elbow toward the bent knee. Switch sides in a smooth pedaling motion. This move targets your entire core, especially the obliques, and helps cinch that waistline tight. Focus on slow, controlled twists, quality over speed. Extend the leg fully and aim to get your shoulder toward the knee. Feel the squeeze every single time you twist. Shoot for 20 to 30 slow, powerful reps. Burn through the discomfort, that's where the magic happens. Exercise 6. Jump squats. Ready to light up those legs and fire up your core? Let's hit jump squats. Start in a regular squat, feet shoulder width apart, hips back, chest up, lower down deep, then explode up into the air, reaching your arms overhead. Land softly, immediately dropping back into your squat. Jump squats elevate your heart rate fast, build powerful legs, and engage your core every time you control the landing. Keep your core tight so you don't wobble or lean forward. Push through your heels, land gently and reset. Quickly aim for 12 to 15 explosive jumps. You'll feel the burn in your legs and your core, and that's exactly what we want. Exercise 7. Plank to shoulder tap. Let's slow it down and fire up those stabilizer muscles with plank to shoulder taps. Start in a strong high plank, wrists under shoulders, back straight, core locked in. Without shifting your hips too much, lift one hand and tap the opposite shoulder. Return it down and switch sides. Sounds simple, but it's a beast for your core. The challenge is keeping your body steady, no rocking side to side. Move slow, control every tap and squeeze your glutes and abs tight. This move builds real-world core strength and improves your posture too. Aim for 20 to 30 taps. Stay steady like a rock and tap it out strong. Exercise 8. Reverse crunches. Time to attack the lower abs directly with reverse crunches. Lie flat, arms by your sides for balance. Bend your knees at 90 degrees, feet off the ground. Now, using your abs, lift your hips off the ground and curl your knees toward your chest. Lower down slow and controlled. This move isolates the lower part of your abs, an area that's notoriously stubborn. Focus on lifting with your core, not swinging your legs. Every tiny movement counts, quality over speed. Shoot for 15 to 20 slow, powerful reps. Feel every lift, feel every burn. That's the lower belly tightening up. Exercise 9. Skater hops. Let's bring in some lateral power with skater hops. Start standing, then leap sideways onto your right foot, landing softly and bringing your left foot behind you like a speed skater. Immediately jump sideways to the left and repeat. Skater hops improve balance, coordination, and shred fat by keeping your heart rate high. Plus, you're working your core like crazy to stabilize each landing. Stay low, move with power, and keep that core tight. Use your arms for momentum and control your landings softly. Aim for 20 to 30 hops total. Feel the burn across your whole body and know that every jump gets you closer to your goals. Exercise 10. Plank jack. Last move, plank jacks to finish strong. Get into a strong plank position. Now, just like a jumping jack, jump your feet out wide, then back together, staying low and tight. Like mixing cardio and core into one explosive move. Plank jacks blast calories, sculpt the core, and challenge your endurance big time. Make sure your hips stay level, don't bounce your butt up and down. Tighten your glutes, lock your abs, and move your feet quickly but with control. Shoot for 30 or 45 seconds of continuous jacks. It's the final push, empty the tank and finish like a beast. And just like that, you crushed it. 10 powerhouse moves, 0 excuses, and a whole lot of effort poured in today. You gave it your all, even if you had to slow down at times. That's the real victory. Progress isn't about being perfect, it's about showing up, pushing yourself, and staying consistent even when it gets tough. Remember, burning belly fat isn't just about working out once. It's about creating a habit, fueling your body with good nutrition, and keeping your mind locked into your goals. You stick with these 10 moves, add healthy eating, and stay consistent, your body will change, fat will melt, strength will build, and most importantly, you'll feel more confident and powerful every single day. If you liked this workout, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next session. Got so much more coming your way to help you smash your goals and become the strongest version of you. Drop a comment below and let me know which move burned the most for you today. I'll be reading every single one. Until next time, stay strong, stay motivated, and keep chasing the best version of yourself. Got this.